Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gina Phillips guys. Andito ako ngayon sa Detroit na guys. So ayan, samahan niyo ako guys sa aking paglalakbay. So I have my flight today and I'm already here in Detroit. So I came from Lansing. So, galing na ako ng Lansing, guys. So, hindi lang ako nag-film ng husto doon. So, dito, I'm looking for my gate. Yeah. Yeah, I'm here now in Detroit International Airport. So, let's go find the gate for my next destination. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gina Phillips. Guys, I have my trip today and join me. Yeah, right now I am here in Detroit International Airport from Lansing, and then stop by lang ako dito, stop muna, and then the next flight is coming soon at about 8:30, something like that. So guys, samahan nyo ako sa aking trip. Ito ay hindi, this is not exploring, this is not pasyal or what, no. Samahan nyo lang ako guys para malaman nyo. Okay, join me, let's see where I'm going. Join me guys on this trip. You know what, I don't know the place. I mean, it's not familiar to me, the place that I'm going to. Never been there yet, so let's see what's gonna happen to me. I hope it's gonna be okay for everything. Okay, and yeah, I never been this place that I'm going to, so nobody can pick me up and I'm not driving there. So let's see guys, hopefully makayanan ko at magawa ko lahat na dapat kong gawin nang walang may nakaalalay or may na tulong sa iyo ba? Yes. So hopefully maging smooth and okay ang trip ko na to. Yeah, this is not for fun or exploring this place guys, so join me para malaman nyo. Okay, let's wait for the next. So right now I'm here in Detroit International Airport, so waiting for my next flight. But you know what guys, I am so hungry, so I might need to get some breakfast. Yeah, and I didn't get enough sleep. See, my eyes, it hurts. Yeah, and It's foggy today, guys. Yeah, it's foggy today. So let's find my gate for my next flight. Yeah. Oh, concourse. Akit tayo sa concourse. The directory, airport directory. Concourse B. Touchdown, Shuttle Tacoma International Airport here in Washington State. Yeah, from Detroit to Shuttle. Yeah, I am here now, guys. So I have a lot of time, so I need to walk around here and find, you know, the Uber. Uber, kasi walang magpipick up sa akin. Yeah. Uber lang para ihatid ako sa hotel na aking tutuluyan. Yeah, guys. Walang susundo sa akin. So, lahat ako lang ito, guys. Lahat ako lang nagplan nito. Hindi ko alam tong lugar na to, pero tingnan nyo, guys, natututo ako. Salamat kay Google. Kay Google. Salamat kay Google. Ayan, yung mga tanong mo sasagutin ni Google. Yeah. And you know what? There's a storm here. There's a storm here. Umuulan, guys. So, yeah, okay guys, see you later. I-tour ko kayo dito. Yeah, let's go. Okay, let's go. This is the shuttle. Shuttle Tacoma. Tinatawag na SeaTac. SeaTac International Airport here in Washington State. Yeah. Kakain muna ang lola nyo bago tayo mag-exit dito sa airport na to. Nabubulol ang lola nyo. Gutom na ang lola nyo. Sorry for that. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. There's the sign. Oh, look at that. Let's find a place to eat. At gusto ko rin bumili ng ano, guys, ng sweatshirt, yung may hoodie, para meron akong remembrance dito. Yeah. Ano kaya to? Yeah. Okay guys, see you later. Wait. Ayan guys, mayroon food hall. Ayan. Food hall. Let's see. Ikot tayo, ikot. Exit 2 baggage claim. Uy, Swarovski. Swarovski. And then, Manchukuo. Capitol Hill Food Shuttle. I think I need to eat there. Capitol Hill Food. Let's see. Magandang food dyan. True Burger, pizza, that's it. I want some soup. Coffee, artisan, award-winning juice, drink, and ice cream. What about here? Wow, look at that. Oh, ito, make it a combo. Ay! Yan lang, walang ano. Let's find here. Let's find here. Bakit walang may kumakain dito? Order here. Oh, oh. Ito lang guys ang aking nabili. Yung aking lunch. Ayan. Bumili lang ako tapos lumabas na ako dito sa ano. Yung sa binilihan ko dito lang ako sa yung nakakalat na table dito. Ayan. Tubig lang. Hindi pwede mag soft drinks. Yeah. Tara, kain tayo.